Hi guys, it's Nicole and welcome back to our channel. Today we are back in Orlando, Florida at the Walt Disney World Resort. Come along with us because we have a super exciting day planned. We're heading over to Port Orleans, Riverside, and French Quarter to pick up some lunch, pick up snacks, pick up dessert, and try everything in between. Okay, so we just got off the Skyliner. It was Megan's first time riding the Skyliner, and now we're going to get on the boats and head over to Port Orleans, Riverside to pick up some lunch. Okay, so we have the jambalaya, and it looks like it came with some cornbread. And Derek got the prime rib dip with french fries. Okay, so I have the jambalaya in front of me, and I'm gonna try it for the first time. It has a really good flavor. It's definitely spicy, has a kick to it, has a nice like tomato flavor, and they give you a ton of it, so that's great. Okay, so I was just eating some of my jambalaya, and now I'm gonna try the cornbread. So here's what the cornbread looks like. Cornbread's pretty dry, but still a good side to go with the jambalaya. Okay, here's Derek's dip. I've never heard of this before, but he said it's really good, right? He likes it, he's happy with his lunch.
It's prime rib. Like where we're from, they have French dip, which is basically the same thing, beef.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about these boats now that I see how they like turn sideways. Okay, so we just got on one of the river boats, so we are going from Riverside over to French Quarter to get some beignets, so we'll catch up with you shortly once we get over there. What we discovered when making this video is Port Orleans is a huge resort. Just on the Riverside portion of the resort, I believe I counted 20 different large hotel complexes. So if you stay at this resort, expect to do a lot of walking or boating from the different areas. You can even take a bus if you want to get to the pool per se, or if you want to get back to the main dining hall. The theming of the different hotel buildings is 100% the reason why I would want to stay at this resort. They are absolutely stunning, super beautiful, and definitely scream Southern charm. The French Quarter portion of the resort also has an additional 8 hotel buildings, so it is by no means small either. The cast member said it's about a 10 to 15 minute walk from Port Orleans to French Quarter, and they suggested we take the boat, but what we found out quickly was because we had to wait for multiple different boats, they only seat about 30 people. We ended up waiting about 30-35 minutes to get on a boat, so it actually would have been in our best interest to just walk from Port Orleans, Riverside, over to the French Quarter. Okay, so after a really long wait for a boat and a long boat ride, we finally made it over to French Quarter, so we are gonna get our beignets finally. Lobby and food court right ahead. So here we go. If you're looking to stay at a Disney hotel with kids, I'll say the French Quarter has a really, really nice splash pad. There are tons of little kids running around in there. Looks like there's tons of splash pad, like little things for them to do. There is a huge alligator in the splash pad, so So it looks really, really fun, like I said, for little kids. So I would definitely like pick this resort if you're coming with kids that want to go in a pool. Okay, so we just got to the Scat Cat Lounge, so we're gonna get our beignets. Okay, so we're at the Scat Cat Cafe, and we finally got beignets. I've been wanting these beignets forever. So they have tons of powdered sugar on them, but I feel like a beignet, the best way I could describe it is more like of a fried dough type donut. So I'm super excited to try these for the first time. I'm gonna try it without any sauce, and then I'm gonna try it with sauce. So here we go. They're very hot. They're really, really good. Perfect fried dough consistency.
It's what this bread tastes like.
It's like a sweet bread.
Yeah.
Don't make me laugh.
What about all this powdered mess we got going on?
This is a mess. You can turn. Oh, it's all right now. So here's the caramel sauce we got with it. I don't really like the caramel sauce, just to be honest. Megan has the strawberry sauce, and I think that's a little better than the caramel sauce. So they are quite messy. We have powdered sugar everywhere, so just be prepared. Thought that the French Quarter had such cute theming and fun decor. I've always seen these little alligators, and I think they are so cute, such a fun little photo opportunity. And then if you spin around just so you can see where I am, right back there, right to the right is that Scat Cat Cafe where we just were getting the beignets. And then if you spin around here, this is where these little alligators are, crocodiles, alligators, I'm not sure. But so we're leaving the French Quarter now, but we had an amazing time at Port Orleans, Riverside, and French Quarter. We took the boat in between both the resorts. We saw all of the amazing resort buildings. We had a lot of fun on the boats. We had our beignets, and we had food as well. We had like a lunch, dinner. That was really great. So we had an amazing time here. We'll definitely come back soon. So if you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel down below. We are going to be visiting a lot of the resorts, all of the parks, and having so much fun this week. So look forward to another Disney video soon.